Okay. Okay, guys, good morning. So, we are done with the silox. We are done with silox. We are done with silox. Okay. And cubes. Okay. So, today it is new topic which is cuboid. Okay. Fine. So, keep a heading as cuboid. So, generally, in CSAT you find this topic. In CGL level or CHSL level you will find this topic. Okay, so keep a heading as cuboid. Keep a heading as cuboid. Okay, so see, here also what we'll be doing is we'll cut that cuboid into small cubes. Okay, so cuboid into small cubes, not into cuboids. We'll cut cuboid into small cubes. Okay, how? Let me show you an example. Let's say I have given you a cuboid of 12 into 15 into 18. Okay, so which means this is 18. Okay, this is 18, this is 18, and this is 12. Okay, this is 18 and this is 12, and now this is 15. Now this is 15. Okay, now I want to cut this cuboid into small cubes of length 3 centimeters. Okay, so 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. So now here I'll get 4, here I'll get 5, here I'll get 6. Okay, so observe. Okay, here I'll get 4, here I'll get 5, and here I'll get 6. Okay, now see, this is 18 and this is 15 and this is 12. Now I want to make this 6 parts. How many parts? 6 parts. So I have to make 5 cuts. 5 cuts. Okay, so see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, okay, now this 12, I want to make this into 4 parts. Now I have to make 3 cuts. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if I'll make 3 cuts, then I'll get 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, okay, similarly this is 15 and I want to make this into 5 parts. Okay, how many cuts I have to make? 4 cuts. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, okay, so this is how I'll get small cubes. Okay, if I'll take this one, I'll get a cube of 3 centimeters length. Okay, so everywhere I'll find 3 only. Yes, so here the thing here is cuboid will be cutting the cuboid into cubes only, not into cuboids. Okay, so understood. So here the formulas will be different. Okay, how the formulas will be different? See, before tell me here also how many types of cubes you are finding. 1, 2, 3, and inner centric cube, 4 types cubes. Yes, corner cubes, middle cubes, centric cubes, and inner central cubes, which means 3 surfaces painted, 2 surfaces painted, 1 surface painted, and no surface painted. Okay, so here also you are finding these types of cubes. Yes, here also you are finding these types of cubes. Okay, so here also we are finding 4 types of cubes. Types how many? 4. 1, 3 surfaces painted, or else let me write again in this way. Okay, see, let me go with the basics first. Slowly I'll introduce the questions. Okay, so here also I'll find 4 types. First one is corner, second one middle, third one central or centric, fourth one inner central. Okay, this is 3 surfaces painted, and this is 2 surfaces painted, and this is 1 surface painted, and this is 0 surface painted. Okay, so let me revise you this cube. In the cube what we have done is, in the cube what we have done is, to find the 3 surfaces painted, the formula is 8, and for 2 surfaces painted the formula is 12 into n minus 2, and for 1 surface painted, no surface painted, and total and cube. Okay, now tell me, here in this cuboid also how many corner cubes you will find? 8. So 3 surfaces painted, if I'll ask you how many are there? 8. The same like cube. Okay, okay, so if I'll ask you 3 surfaces painted, then the answer is 8. Same. Now see, this is the formula for 2 surfaces painted in case of cube. But for cuboid, we have 3 n's here. N1, N2, N3. There we used to have only 1 n. There we used to have only 1 n. But here we have N1, N2, N3. So here what we will be doing is, see, we'll divide this formula into N1, N2, N3. Okay, so simple 12 divide into 3 parts, 4, 4, 4. So here the formula will be 4 N1 minus 2 plus 4 N2 minus 2 plus 4 N3 minus 2. Clear this one? Yes. Next, we have one surface painted 6 n minus 1 whole square. 6 into n minus 1 whole square. Now, okay, n minus 2 whole square. Now we have to divide this into 3 parts again. We have to divide this into 3 parts again. How we will divide? For a square, if we have to divide into 3 parts, okay, then the formula is n1, n2, n2, n3, n3, n1. Okay, n1, n2, n2, n3, n3, n1. Okay, understood? Yes. So if we have 3n square, then we'll divide that like this. If we have 3n square, then we'll divide that like this. Now we have 6n square. Let's say if we have 6n square, then the formula will be 2n1, 2n2, n3, 2 n3 n1, 2 n3 n1. Okay, so only this formula is a bit difficult, but no worries. With the questions I'll give you a trick as well. Okay, so here see, if I have to divide this, then how can I write? So here 2 into n1 minus 2 into n2 minus 2 plus 2 into n2 minus 2 into n3 minus 2 plus 2 into n3 minus 2 into n1 minus 2. Yes, and same here, in place of n1 n2 we have n1 minus 2 n2 minus 2, n2 n3 n2 minus 2 n3 minus 2, n3 n1 n3 minus 2 n1 minus 2. Okay, simple. Any doubts here? Okay, again this is quite simple. See, this also we need to divide into three parts. Now what we'll be doing is, like, n cube can be divided into three parts like this: n1 into n2 into n3. Okay, n1 into n2 into n3. Okay, now simple. n1 in place of n1, n1 minus 2. In place of n2, n2 minus 2. In place of n3, n3 minus 2. So this is the formula for zero surfaces painted. Now total will be n1 into n2 into n3. Total will be n1 into n2 into n3. Okay, now quickly write down the formulas. No worries, don't think like formulas are quite difficult. No, quite simple. Okay, I'll explain you. See, compare with cube and then write down. Then it will be easy for you. Again, please don't just copy the things. Okay, try to understand how we are turning the cube formulas into cuboid. Okay, so if you can understand, then only you can remember those things. If not the case, then it's quite difficult to remember. Initially you'll feel this chapter is difficult, but trust me, this is not at all difficult. Okay, I'll make this chapter easy for you. Then, okay, now write down this. I mean, square symmetry as well. Okay, from this you got the formula. So this we'll call it as square symmetry. Square symmetry. Okay, write down those two things as well and keep those two things in a box. Okay, now we'll solve some questions. Okay, so this time, see, no need to write full question. Okay, so I have given you a cuboid of length, breadth, and height 10, 12, and 14. 10, 12, and 14. Okay, now I want to cut this cuboid into small cubes of length 2 centimeters. Of length 2 centimeters. Now tell me total number of cubes. Total number of cubes. Huh? Huh? How much? Okay, try. Take one moment and try. Okay. Don't just simply note down the answer. First, try from your end. Then I'll discuss. Done, everyone? Okay. So let me explain your concept here. So let's say I have given you a cube. Okay. I have given you a cube. Cube length is, let's assume, 12. Okay. So now this will be 12. This will be 12. This will be 12. Yes, this will be 12, this will be 12, and this will be 12. If I'll ask you to cut this cube into small cubes of length 3 centimeters. Now what you will do is, here you will find only n, which is 12 upon 3. 12 upon 3, and you will get 4. Okay. And if I'll ask you total number of cubes, total number of cubes, then what you will do is, you'll find here you'll get 4, you'll find here you'll get 4, and you'll find here you'll get 4. Okay, those 3 fours you'll multiply, which is n cube, 4 into 4 into 4, which is 64. This is how you'll give me the answer. But now the thing here is, see, now the thing here is, now this is a cuboid. Now this is a cuboid. Now I have given you 10 centimeters, 12 centimeters, and 14 centimeters. Okay. So here you will find 3 n values. Yes, before they used to be same. That's the reason you will find only one n value. But here those 3 are different. Yes. Before 12, 12, 12. but now it is 14, 10, 12. 14, 10, 12. So here what you will find is, here you will divide this with, okay, so 2 right here. So let's keep this 2. Okay, let's keep this 2. Now, see, here you will divide this with 2, this with 2, and this with 2. Okay, now you will get 7 here, you will get 5 here, you will get 6 here. So this I'll take it as n1, n2, n3. Now if somebody is asking me for the total, okay, before it used to be 3, 4, 4, 4. So I have made 4 cube, but now this is 7, 5, and 6. So 7 into 5 into 6. Okay. So 5 6 is 30, 3 7 is 21, 210. So whenever you are getting a question like this, what you have to do is, immediately you need to find out n1 which is 5, n2 which is 6, n3 which is 7. Then if they are asking you for the total, then simply n1 into n2 into n3, which is 5 into 6 into 7, 210. Understood? Concept clear? Okay. Now write down one more thing. One more question. Okay, okay. Take 1 minute. First write down this answer, then I'll give you one more question. Done? Okay. Now take one more question. Second one. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Here you need to find out total and colorless cubes. Colorless cubes. Total and colorless cubes. If I cut down this cuboid into small cubes of length 1 centimeter. Okay. Try from your end. Then I'll tell you. Okay. See. Okay, okay. See. Here again they have cut down the cuboid into small cubes. Okay. So see, simple trick. Okay. So here what you need to find out is n1 5, n2 7, n3 9. In cuboid, along with n1, n2, n3, please find out n1 minus 2, n2 minus 2, n3 minus 2, 7. Now, try to solve the questions. Total 5 into 7 into 9, 315. Okay. Again, now I'm asking you colorless cubes, which means zero surface painted, which means 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7. Yes. This is quite easy. So 105. 105. So instead of solving through the formula, what you can do is first you can try this n1 minus 2, n2 minus 2, n3 minus 2, then simply put down those things in the formula. Okay. Now one more question. This will give you some more clarity and practice. Right on. Third one. 6 into 9 into 15. 6 into 9 into 12. 6 into 9 into 12. 6 into 9 into 12. Okay. So this we have cut down into small cubes of length 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. Okay. Now try to find out one surface painted. One surface painted. Okay. So use that trick. First find out n1, n2, n3. Then n1 minus 2, n2 minus 2, n3 minus 2. Then simply put down those things in the formula. What's the answer? Yes, 4. Any more answers? Okay. Fine. See here. Simple. N1, 2, N2. Okay. Along with these values, N1 minus 2 you need to find out which is 0. N2 minus 2 you need to find out which is 1. N3 minus 2 you need to find out which is 2. Now I have asked you to find out one surface painted. The formula is 2 into n1 minus 2 into n2 minus 2 plus 2 into n2 minus 2 into n3 minus 2 plus 2 into n3 minus 2 into n1 minus 2. Okay, but the thing here is n1 minus 2 is 0. So first one will be 0 plus last one will be 0. In between what left? 3 into 4. Sorry, 1 into 2. 2 into 1 into 2, which is quite simple. Okay, no need to put on the formulas as well. Okay, first one and last one is 0. In between value you need to find out. That you can find out like this. Okay, so now this is short trick within 10 seconds. But if I have to go with long form, then I have to write the formula again, which is 2 into n1 minus 2 into n2 minus 2 plus 2 into n1 n2 minus 2 into n3 minus 2 plus 2 into n3 minus 2 into n1 minus 2. Okay, now 2 into 0 into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 into 0. Okay, so this will be 0 and this will be 0. The value left is, okay. So see, this also I can do within 10 seconds. How? Simply I need to find out the value of n1, then n1 minus 2. If I can do like that, then within 10 seconds, this question will be solved. Yes? One more question for your practice. Fourth one. Okay. 357. Okay. Now here you need to find out total 4 surfaces painted, 3 surfaces painted, 2 surfaces painted, 1 surface painted, 0 surface painted. Fast. Okay. Within 20 seconds you need to answer. Five zero eight. Hmm. So everybody got the answer? Yes? How many seconds it took? Huh? 30? Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Fine. Get back here. See. n1 3, n2 5, n3 7, n1 minus 2 1, n2 minus 2, n3 minus 2 5. Okay, now first one, total which is 3 into 5 into 7, which is 105. Second one, 4 surfaces painted, 0. Third one, 3 surfaces painted, which is 8. Next one, 2 surfaces painted, fourth one, right? 2 surfaces painted formula is 4 into 1, 4 into 3 plus 4 into 5. So 4 5 is the 20, 20 plus 12, 32, 36. Okay. Next, fifth one, one surface painted, one surface painted. Here formula is 2 into 1 into 3, 2 into 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 5 plus 2 into plus 2 into 5 into 1, which is 6 plus 30 plus 10, which is 46. Okay, and the last one we left with, everyone is okay. Sixth one, 0 surfaces painted, which is 1 into 3 into 5. 1 into 3 into 5, which is 15. So this is how you'll solve the questions. None? Okay. Now take one more question. Now try to find out. This time faster, okay? 6 into 8 into 10, a smaller cubes of 2. Here I need everything. Total 3, 2, 1, 0. First, Okay, so see, fine, again same, n1 3, n2 4, n3 5. Okay, now again what we have to find out, n1 minus 2 which is 1, n2 minus 2 which is 2, n3 minus 2 which is 3. Okay, so total first I need to find out. Total formula is n1 into n2 into n3, which means 3 into 4 into 5, 5 was 20, 23, 60. Second, three surfaces painted. Three surfaces painted is always 8. Okay. Next, two surfaces painted. Two surfaces painted. 4 into n1 minus 2, which is 1, plus 4 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Okay. So 4 plus 8 plus 12, which is 24, or else 4 into 6, 24 directly. This you can take it as 4, 4, 4 common, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 4 into 6, 24. Okay. Next, fourth one surface is painted. One surface is painted. 2 into 1 into 2. 2 into 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 1. So 4 plus 12 plus 6, which is 22. Next, fifth one, 0 surface is painted, which is 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3, which is, okay. So, I mean, people by looking at the formula, they'll feel this cuboid chapter is difficult and they'll leave the chapter. But the thing here is, this is quite simple. Okay. And this 1 mark will take you till the selection. Okay. So, any difficulty here? No? So, if I'll give you a cuboid question, then you can do it, right? Okay. But there are some few more questions which they'll give you to make you fools. Okay. So, we'll see those kind of questions now. Done, everyone? Okay. Write down. This time, write down the question. Write down. A cuboid, a cuboid, a cuboid of 3 into 12 into 15. A cuboid of 3 into 12 into 15 is cut into 3 centimeters length of 3 centimeters length of smaller cubes. 3 centimeter length of smaller cubes. 3 centimeter length of smaller cubes. Then how many smaller cubes are there? How many smaller cubes are there which are 4 surfaces painted? 4 surfaces painted. Okay. Try to solve the questions. Okay. I'll give you 1 minute. Try to solve the question. Okay. I'll give you 1 minute. See, I'm telling you, you're all fools. Okay. That is not 0. Try to solve the question. Okay. If 0, he will not be giving you the question. And I will not be giving you the 1 minute time. Okay. So try to solve the question. Okay. 4 surfaces painted. Try. Okay. Sixth one, I have given you a cube of 3 by 12 by 15. Okay. Now I'm asking you to cut down this cube into 3 centimeters small cubes. Okay. So generally we'll have cubes which are 3 surfaces painted only. Okay. But if 4 surfaces painted, if they are asking, then simply you can go with 0. But that is with cube case, but not with cuboid case. In cuboid, sometimes you'll find more than 3 surfaces painted. How? For that, we need to see the figure first. Okay. So imagine this. Okay. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. Okay. 12, 12. Okay. Or else take this as 15 and this as 3. Now this is 12. This is 12. This is 12. Okay. Now this I need 1, this I need 4, and this I need 5. So for one part I don't need to make any cut. Yes, for one part I don't need to make any cut. But for 4 parts I need to make 3 cuts. So here I need to make 1, 2, 3 cuts. 1, 2, 3 cuts. And for this 5 parts, I need to make 4 cuts. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which means 1, 2, 3, 4. Now tell me, if I'll take this cube outside, how many surfaces are painted? Huh? 4, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 4 surfaces painted. So here in the question, he is asking you about 4 surfaces painted, which means corners. How many corners will be there? 4 only. In this special case, you'll find 4 corners only. You'll find 4 corners only. So here you'll find one, this is corner cube, and second one middle cubes, and third one central cubes. Okay. So corner, middle, and central. Here you won't find inner central cubes. Okay. For corner cubes, those are 4 surfaces painted, and you'll find 4. Okay. And for middle cubes, they are 1, 2, 3 surfaces painted. Okay. Fine. And center cubes, 2 surfaces painted. 2 surfaces painted. 2 surfaces painted. So less than 2 surface painted, you won't find here. You won't find 1 surface painted here. You won't find 0 surface painted here. Understood? Understood? Yes? Okay. So you may feel this question as difficult, but this is not. Okay. Again, I'll make this question simple for you. Okay. So, any questions here? No? I have a question. Now I'll give you a question to find out this middle and central cubes. Okay, don't calculate from the figure, because in the examination we won't find time to draw the figure. So without drawing the figure, try to calculate the middle and central. You said you don't have any questions? Okay, but I have questions. Middle two wrong. Without looking at the figure, I have said. Okay. How? How? See, in the examination, you won't get this figure, or you can draw this figure, because if you are trying to draw this figure, it will take 3 minutes. So 3 minutes is waste of your time. So in 3 minutes, a person like me, he can solve almost 10 to 12 questions. So in the examination, you won't find this figure. So here, what you have to do is, here there is no logic here. So generally, there is a formula for central, but no formula for middle. Okay, formula for central, but no formula for middle. Here, formula for central is n2 minus 2 into n3 minus 2. n2 minus 2 into n3 minus 2. So by using this formula, you can solve this. 2 into 3, 4 minus 2 into 5 minus 2, which is 2 into 3. You will get 6 here. This 6. Okay, once you got 6, once you got 6, now what you have to do is, total you have to find out. Total how many? 1 into 4 into 5, which is 20. Now 20 minus 4 minus 6, which gives your answer 10, which gives your answer 10. Okay, now solve this. Okay, write it down in your book. Okay, now I'll tell you the trick. So here in this case, for the middle one, you don't have any formula for this. Okay, so all that we have is only formula for central. Don't draw the figure, not required. Okay, not required at all. Fine, done. Okay, now I'll give you a question. You don't try. Okay, I'll solve for you. Then I'll give you one more question that you'll for sure will be solving within 20 seconds. Okay, trust me. So the question is, question number 7. Okay, so the question here is 2 by 10 by 12. 2 by 10 by 12. Don't write anything. First listen. Okay, so 2 by 10 by 12. Okay, now what he has done is, he has cut that cube into small cube, like cuboid into small cubes of 2 centimeter length. So now first, how to find this case? How to find this case? So whenever the question comes, immediately find out n1, which is 1, n2, which is 5, n3, which is 6. If you are finding one value as 1, okay, any one value as 1, then this is the case of 4 surfaces painted. This is the case of 4 surfaces painted. Okay, now if he's asking you total, then 1 into 5 into 6, which is 30. And here he can ask you only two things: 4 surfaces painted, which is 4, and 3 surfaces painted, and 2 surfaces painted. Okay, so here 3 surfaces painted, you don't have the formula. 2 surfaces painted, you have the formula, which is 5 minus 2 into 6 minus 2, which is 3 into 4, which is 12. So here you need to find out middle one. This is 30 minus 12 minus 4, which is 40. So 20 seconds it took for me. Fine. So write down this. I'll give you some more examples. You solve this time. Everybody done? Yes? Now I'll give you a question that you need to solve within 20 seconds. Okay? So take down the question. 1 into 5 into 7. Okay? So I have made a small cubes of 1 centimeter length. Here I need total 4 surfaces painted, 3 surfaces painted and 2 surfaces painted. Okay? Make it fast. Okay? So everybody got the answer? Yes? So let me try. Here N1 1, N2 5, N3 7. Okay? So total will be 35. 1 into 5 into 7, which is 35. Next 4 surfaces painted will be 4. 3 surfaces painted, I don't know. 2 surface painted, I have to find out, which is 3 into 5, which is 15. 3 into 5, which is 15. Now this is 35 minus 4 minus 15, which is 19, and this gonna be 16. Okay? So merely it will take 20 seconds. Okay? So, I mean, let me tell you this as well. In examination, simply he'll ask you this. This. Okay? Generally, people will go with option 0, but the answer is 4. But the answer is 4. If in case, if the reasoning level is improved, then he is trying to make the paper difficult in sub-inspector like examination, then there are chances that he is going to ask this. If not the case, thus only they'll ask you. So it will take 1 second merely. So if any one value is 1, then blindly go with 4. Okay? I done one more question. Ninth one, 3, 9, 18. Make it fast. Total 4, 3, 2. Okay, got the answer? So N1 here 1, N2 is 3, N3 is 6. N1 1, N2 3, N3 6. Okay. So simple total you need to find out 1 into 3 into 6 which is 18. 4 surfaces painted which is 4. 3 surfaces painted we need to find out 2 surfaces is 1 into 4 which is 4. And here 18 minus 4 which is 10. So the answer will be 18, 4, 10 and 4. Okay. Next. 10th one. Right now. A cuboid. A cuboid of 3 by 3 by 33. A cuboid of 3 by 3 by 33 is cut into small cubes of length 3 centimeters, of length 3 centimeters. Then find out the cubes which are 5 surfaces painted. 5 surfaces painted. 5 surfaces painted. Again, this question is to make you fools. I know you are fools, but don't act as fools. Okay? Huh? Again a fool. Huh? Okay. Fine. Huh? 2. Yes, 2 will be your answer. How? See. Again, for this, you need to imagine the cube here. So, wait, listen here. Then you can try. See, 3, 3, 3. So, here we'll get 1, 1, 11. So, here we are getting 2 ones. 2 ones. So, your figure will be something like this. Something like this. Your figure will be something like this. Your figure will be something like this. Now tell me, if I'll take this one outside, how many surfaces are painted? 5. 1, 2, 3. पीछे वाला back side 1, 4 and नीचे वाला 5. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here you will find only 2 types of cubes. How many? 2. One is corner. Second one is middle. You won't find center cubes and you won't find inner central cubes. Okay. And for the corner cubes, you'll find 5 surfaces painted and the value will be 2 for sure. 2 for sure. Okay. And for the middle one, let's say take this one 1, 2, 3, which means 4 surfaces are painted. The surface here and the surface here is not painted, which means for the middle one you will find 4 surfaces painted and the formula will be total minus 2. Total minus 2. So here in this question, if I have to find out total, then it will be 11. Total will be 11. 1 into 11. 11. Okay. Now corner 5 surfaces painted will be 2. Middle 4 surfaces painted will be 11 minus 2, which is 9. Yes. This is even more simple. The thing here is, if you are not getting 1, then the question will be difficult. If you are getting at least 1, okay, at least one thing is 1, then the question will be quite simple. If you are getting 2 ones, then even more simple. Is there a possibility to get 3 ones? No. If you are getting 3 ones, then it will be cube only. Yes. And why to make a cut? As it is, you can represent. Understood? Write on this one. Okay. See, let me explain this one again. Let me explain this one again. So here I have given a cube of 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 33 centimeters. Let's say this is 33. This is 33. And this is 3. Okay. So I have got the figure like this. And this one is 3. Now I got the figure like this. Okay. Now this is 33. This is 3 and this is 3. Now I need a cube of 3 centimeters, which means here I have to make this into one part, and this is 11 parts. So this I have to make one part, which means no cuts. This I have to make one part, which means no cuts. This I have to make 11 parts, which means 10 cuts. Okay. So 10 cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 cuts here. So this will be the scenario. Now, Vijay, tell me how many corners are here? How many corners are here? Corners. Corner cubes, not corners. Corner cubes. 2. Only 2. First one and second one. Okay. Now tell me, for a corner cube, how many surfaces are painted? See this one. Okay. See, is this surface painted? 1. Is this surface painted? 2. Is this surface painted? 3. And the one which is here, this is painted? 4. And this one, how many we have got? 5. So for corner, how many surfaces are painted? How many cubes will be there? Understood? Now, middle one, which means these. Okay. Now tell me, this one I have picked. Okay. This one. Okay. Now tell me how many surfaces are painted here? Or else tell me, is this surface painted? 1. Is this? 2. And this one? Yes, 3. And this one, 4. So how many surfaces are painted? 4. Okay. This one not painted because you have made a cut here. So not painted. This one not painted. So 2 surfaces are not painted and 4 surfaces are painted. So middle one you will find 4 surfaces painted and the formula will be total. See, let's say total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So total is 11. If you want to find out middle one, take out this one and this one, which means 11 minus 2, total minus 2. That will be the formula here. Total minus 2, 11 minus 2, and this is 9. Understood? Yes? Okay. Now for you, one more question. Tell me the answer. 11th one. 2 by 2 by 22. Okay. Now tell me the answer. How many 5 surfaces painted are there? 4 surface painted are there and 3 surface painted are there. So let me explain you the trick here. See, whenever the question comes, what you have to do? N1, N2, N3. You need to find out. So here you are getting 2 ones. So this is the case of 5 surfaces painted. So here you will find 5 surfaces, 4 surfaces. 2 you will never find, 3 you will never find. So this will be 0. Now total the formula is same. 1 into 1 into 11. How much? 11. 11. Okay. So 5 surfaces, how many will be there? 2. Okay. Now 4 surfaces, total minus 2. What is the answer? Total 11 minus 2, 9. Okay. So with this, your cuboid chapter is completed. Your cuboid chapter is completed. So again, guys, we have seen 4 formulas and 2 exceptional cases wherein one n will be 1 and second one 2 n's will be 1. So only these things, 4 formulas and 2 cases, your chapter is completed. Okay, and trust me, in CCL level, everyone will leave these questions because they'll feel like as if these questions are difficult. But no, these questions are not difficult, quite easy. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to know the logic behind and you have to practice. Okay, so for the initial questions, you might take 10 seconds, but for these questions, maximum 2 to 3 seconds. Fine. So now take a short break. After the break, I'll start a simple topic. Okay. So you'll find the maza of this reasoning today. Fine. So guys, you would have heard this topic. This is quite easy. So we'll try to complete this chapter. Okay. So this is You are feeling this is difficult? So we'll start with a simple topic, and simple is nothing for us. Difficult will be easy for us, and simple is nothing for us. Okay? So take a short break for 30 minutes and come back.